Hey guys, Jonathan here, Destination Harley-Davidson Silverdale Parts Department. I just want to tell you a few things about what we got going on in the dealership. So daylight savings time is right around the corner and we want to make sure that you are seen on your motorcycle. So with that being said, I just wanted to mention a few items we have that can accomplish that goal for you. So Harley-Davidson has a bunch of plug-and-play features and lighting options available for a range of motorcycles to help you be seen on the road. Things like our adaptive Daymaker headlamp. You can see lane to lane across the whole plane of the road. It'll tilt with you left or right. Kind of explaining the adaptive feature of it is a little nitty-gritty, but it'll definitely widen the band of which you can see. As far as your tail lamps, we have LED inserts that are again plug and play, just simply replaces the bulb option. Just a great way to make sure people coming up behind you see that you're stopping and that they know to stop. With that being said, if you guys have any questions, stop by, ride in, give us a call.